Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to install Canon Pixma G3060 printer drivers. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon, open browser for download drivers. Type here canon.co.in, hit enter, scroll down, click on support and downloads, click on download. Driver is downloaded. Open download file, click on setup file. File is extracting, please wait. Canon IJ driver installation, click on next. Select here region Asia, click on next. This is agreement, click on yes. You see here printer is detected by using USB connection, click on next. Installing, please wait. Creating port, checking port, click set as default, click on exit. Printer installation is complete. Okay, let's take a test print. Open control panel, view device and printers, right click on printer, click on printer properties, click on print test page. You see on the screen print is coming. Thank you for watching me. See you on next video.